Picture this. You've built your perfect overlanding Jeep that most envy. You've got your fog lights, your iCamper tent. You've sprung for the worn Xeon 10 with a Factor 55 Pro Link sitting on top of a Poison Spider bumper. You've even got your Trail-rated badge to let everyone know that you've never actually been off-road. You park outside your buddy's house at a local overland-bound meetup when an unknown contact attempts to steal your vehicle. This intruder is most likely a jealous Toyota owner who's trying to gain precious subscribers for his channel. But either way, this young, enterprising influencer was probably not counting on one big roadblock. I bought a manual. Listen guys, while that scenario was very fake, it absolutely could happen to you. It is a fact that 10 out of 10 car thieves are indeed millennials. Millennials, though they may be nice Twitch streamers or social media influencers on the gram, right? There are car thieves amongst all of them. One thing that millennials don't know is how to decode this secret pattern. While this shift knob is a nice shift knob, it is also a security management device. In addition to my fake footrest of a pedal that I have required to start the Jeep, this thing has strategically placed numbers 1 through 6, as well as a super secret engineering diagram, which millennials will not be able to get past. So even if your common thief is able to get into your door with the key, they'll take one look at the shift knob and get totally lost in the diagram. So let's get started installing it. Alright, so using a flathead screwdriver, we got this little bottom cap off, which we'll remove. And then with some vice grips and a bit of strength, you literally just work that plastic thing back and forth, basically until you snap it right off. And you can see my little faceplate has actually been gone for quite a while, so God forbid I've had to remember where all the gears were. Thankfully that problem is solved. You'll see there's a set screw here, so we're going to use it looks like about a 3/32 Allen key fit. We're just going to thread that there, make sure it's about straight, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Alright, next the transfer case. We're going to go ahead and shift this into, now we'll go with neutral, and we'll basically do the same thing here. That. guys, that's all about there is to it. Thank you to Chris for sending me these awesome shift knobs. These things are great, especially because of the last year. My shifter has lost its numbering, so you know, I pretty much just pick gears at random, like any good millennial would. Anyways, all you need for this job is about 5 minutes of your time, a pair of vice grips, a flathead screwdriver, a 3/32 Allen wrench, and eat your Wheaties that morning, do a couple warm-up lifts, and then you should have the strength to be able to get this thing off. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications of future uploads. Leave any comments or feedbacks you have underneath here, and we'll see you on the next one.